Operating out of their headquarters in Atlanta, Georgia Power is the largest electric subsidiary of Southern Company, one of America's leading energy providers. Serving over 2.7 million customers, Georgia Power is dedicated to delivering clean, safe, reliable, and affordable energy solutions, including outdoor lighting services. In collaboration with TerraGo, Georgia Power is transforming their outdoor lighting operations in order to better serve their communities, lower their carbon footprint, and improve overall efficiency. Georgia Power maintains one of the world's largest outdoor lighting operations, with nearly 1 million active streetlights. They also maintain one of the world's largest smart lighting networks, with approximately 400,000 networked lighting controls. With over 50 employees and over 150 contractors, Georgia Power's outdoor lighting operations are responsible for the full life cycle of outdoor lighting infrastructure maintenance, including surveys, new construction, inspections, light repairs, pole maintenance, and system administration. Georgia Power's leadership recognized numerous challenges and potential areas for improvement. This includes customer outage reporting and simplifying the management of legacy lights, photocells, and multi-vendor smart controls. In order to improve operations, Georgia Power looked for a technology solution to address many of their core challenges, hoping to achieve a single pane of glass platform that could unify operations management, field crews, and customer services across their entire outdoor lighting territory and all of their communities. Georgia Power chose TerraGo Streetlight Ops because it provided one platform that could be used by their employees, contractors, and customers alike. TerraGo enables Georgia Power to comprehensively manage all of its outdoor lighting infrastructure. This includes legacy lights, photocells, network controls, and includes multi-vendor control platforms, which greatly simplifies the lighting asset management process.
We have several network lighting control vendors, and we were working out of 3 different platforms to work with these controls. So what we wanted to do was integrate them into one technology, so we only had to go to one place to do everything.
Georgia Power not only wanted a single unified platform for its operations, but also a way to share that platform with its communities and its customers.
One of my main operational challenges at Georgia Power was to be able to communicate with our customers in the field. So we partnered with TerraGo and this technology to be able to have a customer interface where customers can pull up where they're at in the city or around the state of Georgia and report a streetlight outage, which go to our crews in the field.
Before using TerraGo, customer outage reporting and field resolution was a cumbersome process.
If a customer reports a light out and they can't locate the exact light the customer is referring to, they have to sit up to 30 minutes trying to get in touch with the customer in order to find the exact light reported out. The greatest thing that we've noticed so far about TerraGo and using TerraGo in the field is speeds up the process of repairing lights.
Since the integration of the TerraGo software, it's made our jobs much easier. The biggest difference that we see with TerraGo is just they're able to know exactly what kind of light, what kind of tools they'll need whenever they get out there. They already know before they get there, and this just really cuts down on our return trips.
One of the key benefits of the TerraGo platform is the ability to intelligently filter data coming from multiple sources. Whether this data is reported from the outage web map, any of the 3 different smart lighting CMS systems, or even requests from residents and businesses, TerraGo provides a configurable framework where Georgia Power can apply their business logic to determine how to do the work as efficiently and intelligently as possible.
The world comes through the state of Georgia. The world comes through Atlanta. We've seen a transition from people calling our call center. People who put in a repair request are coming through this tool right here. It's really helped so we can be more efficient and fix our lights in the field.
TerraGo is proud to partner with Georgia Power as they transform outdoor lighting operations for their teams and the communities that they serve.